Welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd do a little catch-up video of what we have got done on the C10. Some of it I haven't videoed because I'm trying to get it finished up, but got the side moldings on, everything of course but the doors. Still don't have the doors hung yet, but got the glass and the molding in, front windshield was in, moldings on. Got the seat in, got the seat belts in, got the headliner in, got the dash in, of course carpet. And in here we have both doors painted, glove box door painted, cowl panel painted. So all that we like now is the tailgate and the hood, and of course assembling it. And I've about decided, rather than put any kind of tenable bed liner in the bed's pretty nice. I think I'm just going to scuff it down and prime it, block it out, and paint it. I'm virtually not going to be hauling anything in the truck anyway, so it won't really make a lot of difference. But that's where we're at. Let's look at the driver's side. You can tell a little more maybe. Probably try to change the wheels out sometime this week, and we'll show you what they look like on there the next week. Okay, I have the doors in sealer and ready to shoot the base on them. So we'll get busy and do that, and I'll get back with you and show you after we get the base on. It's the first coat of base on. Okay, the last coat of base is on. Going to wait about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll start putting the clear on. It's the cowl panel, glove box door, and both doors. Okay, we have the clear on. Okay, here is our progress for the week. Quite a bit done. Got the doors painted, glass wing windows in the doors, molding on, inside. Excuse the mess, still got some stuff to do, but got the door panels on, the dash in, headliner in. Have it bolted the seat down because I got to put the center seat belts in. Still got the dash panel to put on, and gaskets are awful tight. Hopefully they'll shrink up after the door soak sets in them for a while. Still, I got to wet sand and buff the whole truck, but that's probably going to be the lower priority right now. Just want to try to get it finished up. Got some mirrors ordered for it. Still got to put the rear view mirror on. Got the emblems to go on the fenders. Got the wheels, got to change those. Still got to put the dryer and AC lines and new compressor on the air conditioner. Still have to paint the hood and the tailgate. That's all we like as far as painting. I got the cowl painted, just haven't put it on yet. Windshield turned out nice across the top, no problems, no issues. I know I've showed you this before, but it's a grill, the front bumper, and the air dam. I actually bought another hood. I started working on the hood on the truck, but it's just full of hail dents all over. There's a shot of it. And one place there in the middle, wasn't very happy with at all. So I bought another hood. It's a used one, but it's original equipment that I'm gonna put on it. And still gotta strip it down, paint it, primer and paint it. But I think we've made real good progress. Probably have the truck on the road probably within about 2 weeks, I'm guessing. Still gotta, like I say, get the air conditioner, get it put on. Or have to take it and get it charged. I'm gonna wait until the weather kind of stabilizes. It's hard to charge one when it's 40 degrees outside and 50. Need it up in the 60s and 70s to do it right. So, but pretty well pleased. It's come a long way, a lot of hard work. Don't know that I'd ever take one this far again. But it's done, and it's turned out to be a pretty nice truck, and hopefully it'll hit the road okay. I've drove it just a couple miles around, and seems to be fine. Everything shifts good. Not too bad on power for a 305, and we'll see how it does when we actually put some miles on it here in the next couple weeks. I'm gonna try to drive it every day somewhere, and I want to drive it to Pigeon Forge to the rod run, and I don't want to get down there halfway and have a breakdown, something I've overlooked or missed. So, but that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.